In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a resume from LinkedIn. If you've previously uploaded a resume to LinkedIn for job applications, the good news is that downloading it again is usually very quick. This is especially helpful if you want to reuse that same file for another application, save a backup copy on your computer, or simply review the version you uploaded. To get started, sign into your LinkedIn account and go to your homepage. Once you're there, look at the top navigation bar and click on the Jobs tab. This will take you to the section of LinkedIn that's focused on job searching, applications, and career-related settings. After the Jobs page opens, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. In the left pane, click on Preferences. This area contains settings related to how LinkedIn handles your job search activity, including saved information used during applications. Inside Preferences, find the section called My Qualifications. Under that section, click on Resumes and Application Data. This is where LinkedIn stores resumes you've uploaded, along with other information that may be used to make applying for jobs faster and easier. Once you open that page, you should see a list of the resumes associated with your account. Take a moment to identify the specific resume you want to download, especially if you've uploaded more than one version for different roles or industries. Next, locate the More button, shown as 3 dots to the right of the resume you want. Click that button to open the available options for that file. From the menu that appears, select Download. LinkedIn will then save the resume to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download automatically to your default Downloads folder, or you may be asked where you want to save it. If you don't see the file right away, check your browser's download bar or your computer's Downloads folder first. A helpful tip is to open the file after downloading it just to confirm it's the correct version and that everything appears as expected. If you regularly update your resume, this can help you avoid sending an older copy by mistake. That's all it takes to download a resume from LinkedIn. Once you know where to find the job's preferences and your stored resume data, the process is simple and only takes a minute.